Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC. This comes in a white exterior with a beige interior. Blind spot assist. Let's come around to the back here. 4MATIC, Mercedes-Benz and GLC 300 badging. Power opening and closing trunk. Rear seats. Memory seats with heated seats. Driver seat controls, driver door controls, driver seat, steering wheel. Mileage in this vehicle is 86,553. And we do have a push button ignition. Mercedes-Benz radio, navigation system, and backup camera. Mercedes-Benz shifter, climate control, and center console. And if you'd like to see any more photos, get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website at feldmannimports.com.